You just became YouTube stars. Who do you work for?
Security. Excuse me, is there a reason why you were just driving really fast on that street?
We're on an assignment.
An assignment for what?
I cannot talk about it, but
You almost hit my truck.
I know you're. That's why I'm
I was doing my checks.
Okay, that's why I'm approaching you, because you're parked on the wrong side of the street.
I have to be right in front. It's like.
Then face the right way. Then face the right way. There's no excuse. Face the right way.
It's not going to check off of my check if I'm too far. If I get on the right side, it's not going to check off.
Then turn around and face the right way, and then you'll be on the right side.
It's going that way. That's what I'm saying. I just told you it's a GPS.
The GPS did not put you on the wrong side. Are you serious? Are you listening to yourself?
I have a tracking system on my phone, and if I'm not a certain meters to the destination, then it's not going to check off.
So that gives you permission to break the law and face the wrong way down the wrong way?
No, that's the way you're coming in. You came in through this entrance.
No, there's SAPD right behind us.
I was watching you. You came in through this entrance.
Okay.
So that gives you permission.
That doesn't give you permission to face the right way.
Like I said, we're trying to leave. You came head on to us.
Yep. I was watching you guys. Y'all came in through right here.
It's a city street.
It's a city.
There you go, saying hauling that. How fast were we going?
How fast were we going?
You almost hit my car.
You were facing
the wrong side.
I was facing the right side, going this way.
I have it on camera.
We have cameras all over us.
What is the right way of this neighborhood right here?
On the right side, you're supposed to be on the right side. If you're on that side,
you went in through this way, and then you came back this way too.
Yeah, we're trying to leave.
But we were facing the right way down the right way.
No, I know, I get that. But that's why I'm engaging with you, because you're on the opposite side of the street. We pull in on the wrong neighborhood, dude. We're trying to get out. She came at us on the opposite side
of the street.
Oh, I just saw you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
She almost hit us, man.
They almost hit my car.
No, she was facing that way on that side.
She was on the stop sign on the left side.
Yep. Lights. I heard about lights being turned off while they were driving. Were you guys doing that?
No.
That wasn't us.
No.
All right. Just make sure you guys are obeying all traffic laws.
All right.
Okay.
You hear that? Obey traffic laws.
Obey traffic laws.
They almost hit my car.
No. Would you stop lying? I want you to put that on a police report.
I have my camera. Y'all were going fast.
So do we.
We have cameras.
The way that she's facing, but she was facing that way.
Camera's right here.
Okay. Were you or were you not on the wrong side of the street? Were you on the wrong side of the street? Yes or no?
My checks.
I know, but were you on the wrong side? Stop.
I'm on the wrong side. I was parked doing a check, and you're still driving fast.
No, I wasn't going fast, but that's okay. We're already leaving.
Okay. All right, guys.
All right, have a good day. All right, bye.
Yeah, guys.
You just became YouTube stars.